My people, good evening. Today is 31st day of October 2025. I went to see Nnamdi Kanu at the DSSS. Last time when the matter came up, court ordered that the DSSS should allow Nnamdi Kanu to have access to whoever that want to see him from Monday till Sunday, every day. That was the order. So DSSS complied with that order on 2 occasions. But surprisingly, on Monday, we went there to see him. They refused us access.
In a country where the rule of law is supposed to be the foundation of justice, the recent actions of the Department of State Service (DSS) raise troubling questions about the state of democracy in Nigeria. Once again, the embattled leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), Nnamdi Kanu, finds himself at the center of a deepening national controversies, not just over his prolonged detention, but now over the balanced disregard of court rulings and fundamental human rights. Just recently, respected human rights lawyer Dr. Maxwell Okpara was denied access to Nnamdi Kanu, a move that directly contradicts several standings court orders that permit his legal team and family to visit him. Not only was Dr. Okpara turned away, but other concerned individuals and observers were also blocked from seeing Kanu, further fueling public outrage and suspicion. This is not just about one man. This is about a system that seems to have grown too comfortable with breaking its own laws. It's about a security structure that seems more interested in silencing dissent and upholding the Constitution. It's about a people who are watching their rights, their voices, and their dignity stripped away, one ruling at a time. In today's update, we'll break down everything you need to know, from the ongoing resistance by the DSS to the implication this has for Nigerians. We'll also hear from the legal experts, activists, and the voices of the people who continue to stand strong in their demand for justice, accountability, and the unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu. But before we dive in, please subscribe to Viewpoint News, your trusted source for fearless reporting, political updates, Biafran issues, and social justice stories. Like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comment section, because your voice matters.
My people, good evening. Today is 31st day of October 2025. I went to see Nnamdi Kanu at the DSSS. Last time when the matter came up, court ordered that the DSSS should allow Nnamdi Kanu to have access to whoever that want to see him from Monday till Sunday, every day. That was the order. So DSSS complied with that order on 2 occasions. But surprisingly, on Monday, we went there to see him. They refused us access. We went there on Tuesday, they refused us access. They went there on Wednesday, they refused us access. I was there yesterday, they refused us access to see him. Then, after much argument, they said that we should write a letter. As usual, I said, but court said that we should, the people should allow us. The issue of writing letter every day should not come up. They said we should write a letter. So we wrote a letter. So today they allowed us. So myself and the Ejimako. So after seeing him, as I just came out of the DSSS, my attention was drawn to this letter written by the same DSSS, saying that henceforth we should not be coming to see Nnamdi Kanu, that we are no longer his lawyers. I said, where is this one coming from? What do you mean by that we are no longer his lawyers? That we are no longer the lawyers representing him in the criminal trial, or that we are no longer his lawyers? Because I know that I have some other things that I'm doing for Nnamdi Kanu. I'm representing him in a matter he has with police at the FCT High Court. I'm representing him in the matter he sued one media house at the FCT High Court for defamation. I'm representing him in a matter he sued for enforcement of fundamental rights against DSSS in that Federal High Court. And representing him two matters we had against the DSSS at Federal High Court. I'm also representing him in a prosecution of IPOB, the matter pending in the Supreme Court, and some other legal issues that he engaged me to be preparing for him. So I don't understand the meaning of we are no longer his lawyers. Are they in position to say that I'm no longer in Nnamdi Kanu's law, or Nnamdi Kanu's to tell them that I'm no longer his lawyers? So I'm confused because there are some documents he asked me to provide for him by tomorrow being Saturday in preparation of his matter on Tuesday. Now with this letter now, it means that I will not see him again till Tuesday. Just for the world to see the kind of persecution somebody who is representing himself, where Section 36 said that he needed adequate time and facility. You have seen the reason why we said that for him to be in that DSSS, he cannot be in that DSSS and have a good preparation for this case. Anyway, good thing that he has filed a motion to discontinue this charge because it's now obvious that there is no charge against him. So that is the update. Thank you, and God bless you. You can see the copy of the letter and make it available for you. Thank you.
As we come to the end of this powerful update, one thing has become painfully clear. The justice in Nigeria is under siege. When a court of law speaks and the government agencies refuse to listen, what message does that send to the people? When a legal representative like Dr. Maxwell Obara, armed with court orders, is turned away by a security agency, what hope is left for the ordinary citizens seeking justice? Nnamdi Kanu's case has gone beyond political. He is now a symbol of the wider struggle for freedom, fairness, and constitutional order in this country. The DSS may continue to act with impunity today, but history has never been kind to the regimes that silence the law and suppresses the will of the people. We must not keep quiet. We must keep raising our voices, not just for Kanu, but for every Nigerian whose rights have been trampled on, whose dignity has been ignored, and whose justice has been delayed. Thank you for staying with us on Viewpoint News. We are here to bring you the truth on your screen, no matter how uncomfortable. If not already subscribed to this channel, turn on the notification bell and do well to subscribe to this wonderful channel. Until next time, stay safe, stay